Hey guys, welcome back to my channel called How To. Today we'll see how we can install Hyper-V in Windows 11. Okay, so right now I'm running Windows 11. It's in Home Edition. Yes, Windows 11 Home Single language, and I do want to install Hyper-V on my machine. So for this, uh, a really shortcut would be what I have got is um, I do have a script file which is something we can just run, and then so this is the one, right? So this is the script file that you need to copy it on the notepad. I'll just paste it on the description below. So once you paste it on the notepad, and try to make sure you'll save it as any name, uh, any name, for example Hyper V following with .bat. Okay, so .bat extension is must, so we need to make a batch file for this. Any name followed with .bat would be fine, and save it on any desired location that you want, and click on save. So once it is saved, it will look like this. Okay, it will be a batch file, and you need to run this batch file as an administrator. So run as administrator. So I have already done this, but once you will do run as administrator, click on yes. It will take probably depending upon your CPU processing power. It took me around 3 to 4 minutes, but it might take longer, around 5 to 10, or in between for you as well. And so once it is done, let this process complete, and let's see. I'll just wait to get it completed. So meanwhile I'm just pausing this video. Once it will get completed, I'll just resume it back. So yeah, once this is done, it seems to be completed for me. It's 100%, and it says press any key to continue. I'll just press it enter, and yeah, it's now completed. So probably once you will do, it will prompt you for uh, restarting your laptop or system. So press Y in that case if it is prompting to reboot your machine, right? So as I have already done this, so that's the reason I think I was not getting prompted to power cycle my machine. And once this is done, what you can do is click on start and click on turn off Windows features on and off, right? And make sure Hyper-V is listed over here. So I can see Hyper-V is listed and it's on, right? So that's something you need to verify. So once this is done, click on start and click on Hyper-V. Sorry, click on start and click on Hyper-V. So you can see this Hyper-V manager. Click on Hyper-V manager, and this is your Hyper-V machine, right? So going further, I'll be using this machine to create my labs, to create some sort of to run some operating system and GNS3 and EVE-NG, and going further. Um, so yeah, that's how you can install Hyper-V on your Windows 11. And thank you so much for watching. See you until next time. Bye bye.